Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ready to take your selfie game up a notch? Whether you're a selfie pro or just starting out, these tips will help you capture your best angles and look amazing in every shot. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide on how to take a sexy selfie. Let's dive straight in. First things first, lighting. It's one of the most crucial elements in photography. Good lighting can make or break a selfie. It can highlight your best features and give your skin a beautiful glow. Natural light is your best friend. It's soft, flattering, and brings out the natural tones in your skin. Stand facing a window or head outside for the best results. The golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, is perfect for capturing that dreamy, soft light. Avoid harsh overhead lighting and never, I repeat, never use your phone's flash. It can create unflattering shadows and make your skin look washed out. Next, the angle. Experiment with different angles to find your best side. Everyone has a side that they feel more confident about. Try slightly tilting your head or holding the camera above eye level. This can make your features look more defined and give you that smoldering look. Play around with different angles until you find the one that works best for you. Now, let's talk about posing. Confidence is key. When you feel good, it shows in your photos. Relax your shoulders, elongate your neck, and give a slight pout. This will help you look more relaxed and natural. Don't be afraid to show some personality. A subtle smirk or a seductive gaze can go a long way in making your selfie stand out. Remember, the best selfies are the ones where you feel comfortable and confident. Outfit choice is also crucial. What you wear can greatly influence how you feel and how your selfie turns out. Wear something that makes you feel confident and sexy. It doesn't have to be revealing. It's all about how you feel in it. Sometimes a little mystery can be even more alluring. Background matters too. A cluttered background can be distracting and take the focus away from you. Choose a simple, clean backdrop to keep the focus on you. If you're feeling creative, try incorporating props or a themed setting. This can add an extra element of fun and creativity to your selfies. Editing is your friend, but don't go overboard. A little touch-up to enhance colors and smooth out skin can make a big difference. Use apps like VSCO or Lightroom for subtle edits. Finally, confidence. Own it. The sexiest selfies are the ones where you feel good about yourself. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about capturing your unique vibe. Embrace your individuality and let it shine through in your selfies. So, to recap, find your light, experiment with angles, pose with confidence, choose the right outfit, keep your background simple, and edit lightly. These elements combined will help you take stunning selfies every time. And most importantly, have fun with it. Enjoy the process and let your personality shine through. Alright, that's it for today's selfie masterclass. I hope you found these tips helpful. Go out there and snap some stunning pics. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time! Quick outro music fades out.